왼손으로만 또 꺾기 시작했는데 5대5입니다 여러분. 태국에서 핫십이라고 합니다. 50 같이.
헬로재키.
자 여러분 안녕하세요. 헬로재키입니다. 저번 주와 아주 동일한 배경이죠. 한야 인드라 드라이빙 레인지고요. 지금 아침 7시인데 선수들이 연습을 하고 있습니다. 저번 주에 공개했던 힌지 앤 슬라이스 두 번째 편입니다. 오늘 영상 끝까지 봐주세요. 한야 인드라의 시그네이처 쌀국수를 먹으러 왔습니다. 보여드릴까요? 여기 이게 한국 사람 입맛에 정말 잘 맞고요. 전에는 한 80밭 정도 했던 것 같은데 100밭을 받네요. 방콕 물가가 코로나 전이랑 정말 많이 변했다는 점. P1.5에서 2까지 요 코킹 구간에 손목을 쓰지를 않았기 때문에 굉장히 어려웠었어요. 그림을 그리듯이 쫙쫙 뻗었었는데 이 손목의 힌지 각도를 이제 만드는 거에 대해서 배웠고 슬라이스에 얼마나 영향을 미치는지에 대해서 제가 실제로 확인을 했습니다. 오히려 이거를 더 익숙하게 만들면 더 똑바로 더 멀리 나갈 수가 있다는 확신이 생겨서. 자 여러분 이제 얼쓰프로님 등장하셨습니다. 빵.
사와디캅. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Actually, I appreciate you a lot, and
Thank
my
you.
subscriber also love you a lot.
Salahio. A little bit better because your shaft almost parallel the ground. If you look this part.
와,
Okay.
조금 됐네요. 조금.
Yes, just a little bit. Looking better.
Better?
Better. Yes, better than last time. Your shaft always touch on the line. But I think last time we worked a little bit on the top of backswing with your elbow. I think a little bit of this part. Okay, but every motion looks better. Looks more
I think
okay.
I get more higher finish.
Higher finish.
Why?
If you want to hit it raw, when you finish swing, should be high.
Yeah.
If you swing into out, I think this part will easy to hit it raw. But if you would like to swing fade, when you out in, I think it should be low left. When you hinge better, it will change your pattern of your release. Last time you always up, outside in. You cannot finish it high. Today we will work with your elbow come close together like and triangle. Okay, let's go.
야 여러분 이 힌지가 조금 좋아지니까 공 컨택이 너무 좋아졌고요. 피니시가 클럽을 딱 던진 다음에 이렇게 하이 피니시로 잡을 수가 있게 돼서 일단은 성공인데요. 벌어지는 거는 아직 고쳐지지가 않아서 오늘 이게 버전 2입니다 여러분.
Okay, so today we will work more on your elbow come close together and then hit it swing. Okay, hold your pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza. The pizza, I think sometimes too much on your hip, on your wrist ankle. It should be, I think this part it should be around 25 or 30. Today you use this for help you to easy control. Right? If you not have the ball, I think you can use small ball at your home. Put it on your forearm, not come up with your elbow. Take away and then hinge. Okay, and then go up on the top. You will feel more on the right. On position, right? And then after this, when you finish swing, I would like you to finish like your punch shot. It will change you on finish swing. Finish swing, you lose this part. It's hard to control the direction. Here and this go swing. See better? You try to control with your arm. create your power to create. You have to swing, you have to control. But if you generate power from your body, your hand only control your face and then release it. This ball will help you to get your arm more in position and then less rotation about on your forearm. Yes, you feel more comfortable, right?
Yes.
I think this ball will engage your body and your arm. Put it on the good timing.
A little bit fancy, but
Still good.
Yeah.
Still good. Right. Try a little bit. Check it. When it needs swing, like you punch shot, right? But I would like your hand a little bit up.
up.
Yes. For you now, you finish like this.
아,
And a little bit
아직도
low
좀
on with your shoulder. I think a little bit up.
땡기는구나.
Like this. Your imagination, I would like you to see the Tommy feet wood, right? When normal shot of Tommy, it hit it raw, you cannot see the Tommy finish like this
Why this one happens?
because you try to hold it and a little bit release with your elbow. Come up. When you swing, if you not use your body, you want to hit it raw. Finish swing, hit high, will change you for swing direction into out more easier than you go out like low and left. Okay. Good. Yes. That's good. Good. How you feel?
It's still fading. It's not going up.
Yes.
약간 다물어졌어요, 팔꿈치가.
See? Different
Yes,
nature.
very different.
Okay, but I think you still need to work how to generate your power. If I add it more, I think too much for you right now. I think just work this part, you will hit more solid.
Okay.
Don't try to fix it all in one time.
Okay. So first one is hinging for perfect hinging,
Yes.
and plus right elbow at the top swing, right?
Yes. Good. Yes, you finished high already.
I knew the difference. At the very last of the top swing, I'm still here, right?
No wrist angle.
Yeah,
right?
but this time I try a little bit like this. This feeling is much better for the high finish.
Yes, good, because your habit is your wrist motion
Yeah.
like this. After you hinge and you up, you need to maintain this part too. Don't try to coming this part.
Yeah, I think I'm still here.
Still here, right? Right. But last shot, I think it's
yes,
much
yes,
better
yes, yes.
on this. Okay, more.
This.
This.
Like
I think this part you should feel like this. See? Okay, good. How you feel?
okay, but it's still slides.
It's like still pull your arm up like this. Change your motion with your body. I think don't think about the direction first.
I have 3. 1, 2.
Put out one. Okay, finish
Okay.
swing. Don't think. Just 2 parts. 1, 2, and then go.
1, 2.
2,
Go.
go. Wow, good.
I like it.
Don't think too much. Almost look at. Every time you think, I think it's more easier to hit it.
this one have to change so quickly. I wanna go this way, but
Okay, when you when you practice swing, I saw it a bit when you try to hit, you not hold your right hand.
oh really?
Yes, you lose like this, and you try to control with your left hand. Put it both, and will come together. And then you will feel more easy on this. But before, when you hit, you grab it like this.
아. 오른손을 제가 매듭을 짓지 않고 약간 느슨하게 잡았더니
For the last time, I think this look better with your wrist motion. I think not enough for right now. I saw a little bit one problem for you, Jackie, and saw a lot of your beginner when you try to hinge your club. Sometimes you don't grab your right hand. I already teach hinge like this. Somehow like this. Everyone, a lot. Pressure it too hard. Just hold it like you hit every shot. You don't lose it. If you don't grab it, you cannot feel it. You cannot feel it at the top swing, and you cannot hold it, right? Because your wrist motion, this part, not action. This one is the biggest problem too. Not too tight. Just hold it. You try to maintain your wrist angle and then keep your elbow not going this way. If you're coming this way, your ball will falling down. So you hinging, keep top swing, just swing it. Don't create your power from your arm. Don't smash with your arm only. Try to use your body, lateral, rotation, and then vertical.
아, 제가 이거를 이렇게 하고 왼손으로만 또 꺾기 시작했는데 5대 5입니다, 여러분. 태국에서 하십이라고 합니다. 50 같이. 네. 그리고
And another thing, second is
this one go but not this,
yes,
right?
not this.
Little
Keep
bit
a little bit here.
직각 삼각형.
Don't get the big one. No, like this.
But not 90 degree, right? It doesn't
Yes.
make any sense, right?
Yes, 30 degree, but your feeling is feel like more.
슬라이스가 많이 나시는 분들은요, 탑에서 이 손목이 위로 서 있기 때문에 쟁반 받치는 역할을 하는 90도를 상상을 하고 연습을 하시되 실제 모습은 한 요 정도입니다. 한 30도 정도입니다.
When you downswing, if you maintain this straight angle long enough, your cup will not come out.
This
Okay.
one, very important. Maybe I will drive like this. And
All the time.
I never do this. Maybe I gives. 저는 앞으로 여러분 요러고 다니기로 했습니다. 얼쓰프로님의 형이죠. 닉프로님은 오늘 나오시지 않았고요. 퍼터 그때 이렇게 해서 하는 드릴도 로프트 앵글도 굉장히 좋아졌고요. 셋업 각도도 더 이상 퍼터가 뭐 이렇게 들리는 현상이 전혀 없어졌습니다. Even I much better with the putting. That's what I explain. Feedback. Because
Good.
Nick is not here today. That's
Next
why.
time.
Yeah, next 2
Next time
weeks.
yes, next 2 weeks. Don't try to fix everything in one time, one by one. I think it will make you swing, not confused, not feel hard too much. Sometimes when too much, you will stretch and then cannot fix it.
저는 일단은 힌지에 조금 더 완벽하게 하고 그 다음에 어차피 연결 동작이기 때문에 This one is a continuously motion so that I can imagine two at the same time, right?
Yes,
Hinge
right.
and top.
Yes, right.
But the follow through this one maybe next time, right?
Yes, maybe next time.
Too much.
Too much. Yes, too much for you.
이번부터는 여러분 제가 한 가지를 정말 물고 뜯어가지고 제가 제 걸로 꼭 만들 거예요. 또 레슨 해드리고 넘어가고 하니까 저에 대한 발전이 상당히 좀 슬로우한 것 같습니다. 아무튼 우리 얼쓰프로님의 도움을 받아서 요번 요 힌징과 탑스윙 문제, 그 다음에 여기 벌어지지 않는 문제까지 몇 달 안에 제가 다 고치도록 하겠습니다, 여러분. 네.
I think this one is already complete for you for this lesson. I think it's enough for you.
Okay.
ครับ
So thank you for your great lesson as a version 2.
ครับ
Hinge and Slice. 고쿤캅.
고쿤캅.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Let's do it together. 자, 하나, 둘, 셋. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you next
Yeah,
clip.
next clip.